I've been with the company for 38 years. I got started at a company when I was in college. I did a summer job. So I told my parents I didn't want to go back to school, so I stayed with it. Worked for the same gentleman for years, and so I was able to get some ownership from him, and then he sold out his ownership and I was able to buy that. And there were 3 of us that owned the company at that point. One of the owners decided that he wanted to kind of pursue other interests, and so he wasn't coming in as much. Set an appointment with Marcellino Tyson and came in to see if they had some ideas of what maybe we could do, which they did, and we went from there.
There was a concern that the infighting amongst the shareholders at the time may result in Boyce's departure from the company. So at the time of the shareholder meeting that was called, Boyce was a minority shareholder. He was theoretically going to be asked to leave the company that day. The shareholder meeting was called at a time where one of the other shareholders was on vacation. We were able to work out essentially a proxy deal where that individual allowed us to vote his number of shares in conjunction with our shares. The very next day, the other individuals filed what's called a temporary restraining order. That's a TRO.
I got a call that morning that it had been filed and we needed to be in court that afternoon. They basically dropped everything. I met them, we went to court,
and defended against that TRO that was being sought by the other shareholders, and we defeated their claim.
The initial idea was to keep my job, and now I'm 100% owner of the company, and I'm very happy with where we are. Yeah, I knew that they had given me good advice. I knew that I could call them, they always will answer, and I knew that from that standpoint, I didn't have to worry about the legal perspective anymore. I could just work on business and worry about it and keeping it going.